Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm babysitting a dog. Her name is Minnie. Oh. Sniff. She did a little sniff. Here are my two dogs. Anyways, yeah, this is Minnie. It's gonna be mostly about her. She looks so cute. Yeah, she's showing
What's
her
the
side.
dog's name?
Minnie.
Minnie?
Yeah. Like my dad and Marie's dog.
Yeah, she's adorable. She's showing you her bands. Not Kiwi. And guys, I just got a new pet bird. Her name is Kiwi. Yeah. And yeah, she is pretty much a little spoiled brat. She's a little spoiled brat. Seriously, she's a little spoiled brat. Say hi, Kiwi. Look at Kiwi.
Oh, I can go pick up that electrical tomorrow.
Huh? She's like, huh? What's this? And she likes going up on furniture. But so I'll show you what she has. So this is her bed. It looks like a little chair I can sit on. So like it. Yeah. Hi.
Daisy.
Hi.
You need to chill. She's kind of terrified of you.
So this is Minnie, her bed.
Oh my god.
My dad, my mom, my dog. Okay, so this is the rest of her stuff. So this is shotgun. Oh yeah, you can't see from the top right there. So you cannot. So this is her stuff. And yeah, that's all she has. And I have some Hershey's.
She's definitely a princess dog that hasn't been around other dogs very much, huh?
I was like, where is she?
She ran away, dude. Sorry.
Miss Kiwi. Hi, Kiwi. Want to come here? Don't bite me. Ow. What's this? Hi, Kiwi. Strut. I finally got her. What's this? Let's see if Minnie likes her. No. You okay? So yeah, this is Kiwi. What's this, Kiwi? Yeah, she's on my shoulder right now. I love you. I really love her. She's my favorite now. And you are silly gooser. Aw, she just kissed me. So yeah, she's not a parrot, she's a conure. Don't eat my hair, girl. Don't eat my hair. Look at her, she's getting sleepy. Or not you, Mom. The little one right there. How do you zoom in on this thing? Head. Huh? Peek over. Peek over. Yep, so that's her. Anyways. Nom.